Morning. It's very, very cold in my office this morning, which I'm happy about. I have sweater and knit socks and all of that. Yeah, today I actually have the sun on my face. Today I am really having to crack down, finish all the work that I have because people are waiting for shipping notifications. So I am trying to get those out today. We did hear from the dealership yesterday and we can go pick up our new car today at 3. So that is something else that I'm trying to be mindful of while I'm working, keeping an eye on the clock. Yeah, once those things are done, maybe I can relax a little bit this weekend. I have some cookies I really want to make with the kids, and we really need to do a grocery pickup, and we might go to the pumpkin patch this weekend. I also wanted to take a few minutes though before I got started working to talk about the sweater that I finished for my husband. I finished it actually last week, and I showed like a progression of me working on it that I had been vlogging as I went, but I didn't really talk about it yesterday because I forgot. So this is the Burnstown cardigan. Woo. It's on Ravelry. It's a free pattern, but we will definitely be getting like official photos and some video this weekend. But yeah, it was a fairly straightforward pattern. It was the first adult sweater I've ever knit and completed, but not the first sweater I've ever done. I've made them for the kids. However, if you are even remotely impressed by the choppy footage that I've just provided of it, please don't be. There's lots of mistakes. But anyway, so what I ended up doing was I worked the raglan back and forth flat, and then I joined in the center here and just did the rest of the body after the sleeves, just straight stockinette with a steek, which was my first time doing a steek. And for that matter, it wasn't even a colorwork steek. It was just one color on this bulky yarn. And I tried at the end, which you would have seen yesterday, but I tried at the end to do a crochet steek. So this is the steek edge after I sewed it down, closed it up. And then here are the buttons. They're from Knit Picks, just simple wood buttons. And then there's a shop on Etsy, and I can't remember, I got these so long ago, you know, so long ago as in I got them this year, but this year has been crazy and I can't remember anything. But we also put elbow patches on it. He wanted this to look like an old man sweater, which it does. In fact, whenever we put the photo on Facebook, there were multiple people that made comments that it looked like he was going to tell them to get off his lawn. And then to which he replied, I would tell you to get off my lawn. This was also my first time doing linen stitch, which I think is really pretty. Let's see if I can show you. I think it's really pretty. Anyway, I'm going to get to work and hopefully get everything done today so I can have a nice chill weekend. My trusty list says I have 16 left to do today. So that's what I'm going to try to get done this morning. While they are baking, I will be painting the ones I got done yesterday and then glazing them and hopefully shipping everything this afternoon, if not this evening, which means they'll go out first thing in the morning. Okay, so I can't believe it, but I do have a small update with the unicorns and the rainbows. I'm so happy, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat. Adam's working on homework with the kids because I said I needed to put a full day in today because I've got to get orders out, but orders are sculpted and I am going to have breakfast and come back and finish things up. So it is after 7 in the evening. I just put the kids down for bed. Adam is, sorry, it's dark. Adam is getting our grocery pickup right now. I'm gonna turn on the porch light for him. Unlock the door so he can come in. But yeah, so we went and we got our new vehicle, and I think I'm out of focus. Because of that, I did not get orders package this afternoon. So I will be going back and doing that now. I'm very tired. I did have a cup of coffee not very long ago at all. It didn't do much good, so that's okay. So I don't think it's too many orders. I did get them sculpted, so they're already, I just have to send them. And I get to take the new wheels down the street. It's probably not necessary, I could definitely walk, but I get to take the new wheels down the street to drop your packages off at the post office later. Even if it's at 10 o'clock at night, that's okay. So I'm gonna get started on that. Oh my goodness, it's been quite the day. Now we have an internet outage. So I also am pretty sure my mascara is running everywhere. I'm a little frustrated, but it's about 8 o'clock now. Did I already say that? I don't know if I did. It's about 8 o'clock now. Adam's still not quite home. Maybe when he gets home he can figure out what's going on. He's pretty good at all that tech stuff. But for now I can't figure it out. I've reset the router, and I have turned the data on my phone so that I can use the internet to access our provider's stuff, troubleshooting and all that, and it was just like, it was useless. So at least for me, I guess, because now it's just like, call this number. So I'm really tired. Okay, so Adam got home and it started working when he got home, of course. So now it's after 8. I'm going to package as many as I can until I cannot keep my eyes open anymore. 8:15. We're gonna take these to the post office so that that's done for tomorrow, and then go to bed. There's the new ride. Still need to unlock